Hello everyone. So if you're like me, you just had another outage from Chatgpt, and there was an earlier one today at 5 a.m. Melbourne time, and here's a 2 p.m. one, and you get stuck in this situation. What are you supposed to do? So not that we should be completely dependent on one company to provide a service to us. I think that you should have other options. Using curl, https ollama.ai install.sh, you can get Ollama installed on your machine, and this allows you to run multiple different models simultaneously. On the right here, I have Ollama serve. This will be the first one that you set up in your command prompt. And then I have another one over here, which is just a normal command prompt from WSL. So I can type in something like Llama list, and it gives me the list of models that I have hosted on my machine. I have a 12 gigabyte 3080 Ti, and therefore I am limited on running some of the largest models, but I have a 13 billion parameter codellama on here, which technically I shouldn't be able to run, but I can run. So as you can see, I have been testing. It's actually my second time making a video, but I am going to run 3 of these simultaneously to show you what happens with the graphics processor when you're running 3 models simultaneously. I think this is great. How are you today? And what? Let's see. How should I introduce myself on LinkedIn? Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's look at it. So they are all working. They're taking their time, or individual slices of time, to run. But they're all working together. 3 different models, writing 3 different sets of code, all on the same screen. Yeah, so that's the 7 billion parameter models there, and that's the 13 billion parameter codellama. And there is a host of other models that you can use. Llama. So go down here, you can find the instructions on Llama 2 and these models, but there's an open library of them. So yeah, find what you like, type it in, Llama run, and even if you have not got it, it will install it for you. Wizard Coder. And there you go. It'll install it, set up everything. All you have to do afterwards is sit back and start using it. No need for Chatgpt. Though still, Chatgpt is the best one out there. These ones are catching up really fast. Okay, have a nice day.